The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Remove the glove box door. The filter housing cover has a screw on the bottom that requires a T20 Torx driver to remove. Because the placement of the Torx screws are difficult to reach, we attached a T20 Torx head to an extender for this installation. Remove the screws. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the housing door screw. Reinstall the glove box door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.